Welcome aboard Max Raven. In this episode, we can't go sailing. Even though it's Michigan, the Great Lakes state. Why? Because it's wintertime. January, February, not gonna happen. So what is there to do? I grab a GoPro, point and shoot camera, and I head out to Lake Erie. Check this out. Alright, well I came out here to see how the shrink wrap is doing. This is January, late January, and the sun's out. It happens, it's Michigan winter, but it does happen once in a while. It's actually supposed to snow tomorrow. I think what I'm going to do after this is take a walk to the backside of the marina, and I'll take a drive over there and then go for a walk along the shoreline of Lake Erie, see if there's any ice on the water. Alright, shrink wrap looks good. You know, Lake Erie in the summertime is awesome, but it's got its moments in the winter too. Look at this ice. Well, if you can't tell, that's the lake out there. About as far as I can see, it's frozen. I'm sure not completely, way out there. It's about 9 degrees, and the wind chill is definitely probably below zero. All right, last week, which was the end of January there, where I took the time-lapse sunrise, then after that it stayed cloudy every day, and then for 3 days straight it snowed. We got lots of snow, and this is the beginning of February right now. Well, the sun is shining. I'm going to take some shots of some snow and ice. Oh my gosh. Hands are numb. Did I say it was cold out? Ooh. Alright, look at all the ice floating down the river here. This is Wyandotte, Michigan. This is part of the Detroit River right here. Doesn't freeze over completely. A little bit too much current. All right, it's been a great day filming. Time to head home. Well, that's it for this episode. To everyone, thank you for watching. Click on the thumbs up button. And if you're not already a subscriber, then subscribe. We'd appreciate that. And leave a comment. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.